In today's fast-paced job market, finding the right talent quickly and efficiently is crucial. This is where the ATS or Applicant Tracking Systems come into play. ATS software automates and streamlines the hiring process, from posting job openings to tracking applications and managing candidate communication. Now, let's take a tour of ATS software and see how its diverse features help optimize the recruitment process. To get started, we first need to create a job position. This is where we can define the job position and your email address so we can send and receive emails to and from job candidates. It is highly recommended to use different email addresses for different job offers. This way, when a candidate applies for various positions within a company, you'll be able to track their applications to the correct job offer. Next, before publishing a job offer, we need to create a job page. Once in, we can see that this page includes multiple sections that allow candidates to find all the required information about a particular position. The good news is that the entire job page is customizable. For starters, we can introduce our business, publish a job description with all the necessary features, specifications, and responsibilities. We can also write about the job values and benefits, and upload photos or videos to provide further information about our business, enhance candidate engagement, and build stronger brand credibility. To input the information, we can simply click on the Edit button and explore various modification options. Thanks to the Edit option, recruiters can easily insert text, drag and drop desired features, adjust the sizes of these features, choose colors, numbers, and add other specific items if needed. Once the modifications are applied, all we need to do is click on the Save button, and it's done. Now, we can begin preparing the job offer. Back on the ATS, the job configuration menu allows us to fill out or modify information for a job position. This includes the job location, the recruiting department information, choosing the right email address, the employment type, determining the number of recruits, and picking a recruiter as well as an interviewer. We can also add and modify details about the recruitment process, write a job summary here, or log our notes as well. ATS systems also simplify team communication considerably. Here, we can write a message to inform colleagues of the latest updates, and choose to create or load a previously made message template to send messages to team members based on different application scenarios. All we need to do is add the message, save the template and load it up when needed. Thanks to this particular feature, you can save time writing similar emails and maintain an internal communication history as well. Further configurations can be made via the Configuration tab, where employment types, reasons for application refusal, activity types, and other settings can be applied. Once the job offer and the job page are set up, all we need to do is click on the Publish button to make it visible for job seekers. Now that we know how to prepare a job offer, let's see how the job application works for candidates and how an ATS software helps recruiters handle an application. Once applicants decide to apply for a job, they only need to click on the Apply button. The Apply button will then take them to another page where they can input their information, attach resumes, write a short introduction about themselves, and provide a link to their LinkedIn profile, if they choose to. It's worth noting that if needed, recruiters can always create new fields via the Edit button and request additional information from candidates. As soon as a candidate applies for a job, the ATS displays it on the newly received applications pipeline. As you can see, each pipeline represents a different stage and allows us to track our progress throughout the recruitment process. Similar to other features of the ATS, these pipelines are completely customizable. We can name and rename them, we can label them with a color to highlight our progress in each pipeline, we can move applications from one pipeline to another, and we can predefine email templates for each pipeline so that candidates may automatically receive an update once there is a change in their application status. Looking closely at each applicant's nameplate, we can see several integrated shortcuts enabling recruiters to rapidly access various features of the ATS. For example, we can quickly schedule activities based on the application status, set reminders, arrange interviews, plan meetings, or update candidate information. We can also rate a candidate's application, or highlight their nameplate with a color to highlight a particular value. Additionally, clicking on the applicant's phone number provides a shortcut to contact them directly via various communication platforms without searching for their contact information elsewhere. Here, clicking on the newly received application provides an overview of the candidate's detailed information, such as name, phone number, email address, and education degree. We can also see the job they applied for and the recruiting department information. On the right side of this page, multiple fields allow recruiters to choose an interviewer or recruiter, rank the candidate's application profile, and specify the source and medium of the application. At the top, there is a shortcut to the calendar, enabling us to quickly set a date for future activities, and right below we can use any of these shortcuts to move the application to a different pipeline. Scrolling further down the page, we can find relevant information regarding the employment contract, such as the candidate's salary. We can also log notes and specify the required skills for the job position. Moreover, to send emails, we can use the Send Message section, choose a prepared email template, or write one if needed. Here, we can also view received emails and find and download the candidates' resumes or any other submitted documents. It's worth mentioning that if recruiters need to input additional information, they can simply go to Settings and click on Add Properties to include more fields of information. Returning to the job applications, Quick Access toolbar allows us to view the pipelines as a list and gain access to analytical data including various types of graphical reports on the recruitment status. We can also check the calendar schedule for tasks, interviews, or events, find information on different hiring stages, and see a list of all planned activities. Similar information can be directly accessed via the Recruitment Pipeline page by going to the Application tab. To do so, click on By Job Position to narrow down the applications by job positions, or choose All Applications to see a general overview of all job applications. Additionally, by choosing the Reporting tab, we can quickly access recruitment reports and analyses and review different hiring measures or values for further assessments. I hope this brief introduction provides you with a clear understanding of how ATS systems centralize all recruitment processes and optimize your workflow.